Another day in paradise, eh? Sun beating down, having to work on motorhomes, getting sweaty, getting worn out. What more could you ask for? So today, what we're doing today, Globescout Camp Scout. Customer's picking that up, so we're just getting it ready for the customer. Now you can't win in this job sometimes. We did clean it all off yesterday. We've come back in today and there's loads of dust. It's as if the Sahara Desert's been dumped down on top of it. So we're just going back around again. What I'm doing is this has a fixed bed at the back. Well, it's not fixed, you can move it, but in order to show the customer around the van, it's easier to take out the bed, because then you're not climbing all around it and everything. So I'm going to take this bed out, and then because if you can see, we've got the gas here. I'll show you that in a second. Let me just get this mattress out and get this out. So as you can see, you've got the two beds drop down. You've got the fixed bed in between. Fixed bed in between. You know what I mean? See that? I'm a poet there now. I'm making things rhyme. You know what I mean? In between. I'm just waffling, aren't I? Thanks. So we'll get these out, and then obviously when we've gone through the van, we can put the bed back together. But it just makes it a little bit awkward showing the customer everything, really. So I've finished on the auto sleeper. What we'll do when this one's gone out, we'll get that one in position, because that one's going out in a few days' time. We'll get the bed. So now what we can do, we can actually show them, see that out as well. It's like a big jigsaw puzzle, and I'm worn out already. There. So first of all, we'll put some gas on. We put the gas was low on this, so we put a new gas bottle on. Well, not a new gas bottle, we filled this one up. There, we'll take that one out as well, and then I hope I can remember how to put the bed back together. We've got a new hookup. Let's get the hookup out. There we go. So there we go. Let's get that in. Get some power into the van. Jay, quick! Can you give that a clean for us, mate?
Yeah.
Well, let's not do what we did last time and put the wrong hookup cable in. So if you watched the other day, I put that hookup cable in and we were getting no power in the van. So it wasn't staged either. We did do by mistake, but we've made out a good little video actually, showing people what happens is when there's no power going into the van. Well, you're nodding your head at?
It's silly, wasn't it?
It wasn't silly. It was educational, basically. So let's go into the van. Use the Globescout camper. This is really good. So just watch this, it closes. See how it closes by itself? See that? Oh, something else we can show you as well. The customer had a tow bar fitted. Oh, and I broke it. The customer's had a tow bar fitted, and they wanted a cycle rack to carry two electric bikes. So what we're going to do, we're going to put that on as well. So if you can see there, that's where the tow bar sits on top. Let's just put that down. That is the oh, what have we done here? Oh, see here, we've got a key here. That undoes it, and it still doesn't work. Ah, that's how it works. So that's there. Let's just take the top off there. We'll put that there, and let's get this bad boy on. Cracking piece of kit. So that should. There we go, look at that. Let's have a look at what we're doing. That comes out. That doesn't lift. Can you undo them? They come out like so. But I think it's a great way to carry your bikes, especially the electric ones, because they are quite heavy. And there's a lot of weight there, so you're not stressing out the back of the motorhome. And by having the tow bar, you've also got the option of towing things. So then obviously they slot out, and again they slot out, and there's the electric hookups.
How are you going to shut the door?
What do you mean, how am I going to shut the door? I'm not going to shut the door, I'm going to show them. No, because when I finish doing it, I'll take it off and then close the doors. I thought about that. Well, I didn't really. Anyway, so we've got that set up so they can see it actually working. What have we got here? Are these lights? Oh, look at that! Ah! Look at that, we've got the lights on the back. We have got a number plate for it in the front of the van, so the number plate can lock on. Shall we put the number plate on? Why not? See, so we've got a number plate set up. We can get the hook up here. There's a number plate. How's that going to slot in now? Clipping. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's nice and fancy. And obviously you put the plug in there, and then we've got the 13-pin plug there. So let's get into the van. And there you can see Finn making the van look beautiful. So we'll switch on there. As you see, we've got the controls on there. That's telling us vehicle, leisure battery, so that's telling us vehicle, fresh water and wastewater. Let's draw some gas through with a little clicker. I'll show you what that does actually in a minute. There we go. Some gas coming through. Gas coming through on that one. I'll put my little check sheets all nice and ready and done, like see, check sheet ready to go. We'll turn that around. We had to put a new tap on this actually. It was all cracked down here. Well, I just put a new tap on it, so there we go, got a nice new tap on. That's all good to go. And then this is nice, this is here, we've got a shower area here where what I can do if I close this here, I think it's about 4,000. Toodaloo! Coming back again. Push that back in there. As you're well aware, I always like to put the fridge on the gas first. Don't ask me why. There you go, it's lit. And then if you can just see there we go, we're going up. Slowly take it out, and now we've got the fridge on the gas. There, look, little blue light in there. Look at that, very disco-y. Disco-y, that's a new word. So we've got cassette toilets, let's just check that's doing it, please. That's doing what it's doing. We'll open the flap on that, and then we've got the... And then what we have to do, that presses down, and then, see that? What you do then, you push that along, and that holds it in place. And it goes off again. That's a nice little thing there as well, isn't it? So, we are good. Oh, turn the tap off. So we are good to go. Good to go, right? So we've done that, we've done that, we've done that. What I'm going to do, because they are coming shortly, I'm just going to try it first. So let's go for, what shall we go for? Heating, not water, on the gas. So I should be in a clunk very shortly. Just checking we've got everything there. That's off the bike rack. And then I'm just let's go outside and just whip around so we can hear the heating going. Let's go on. Oh, that's blowing. I don't know if you can hear that. That's going well. Oh, just waiting for that to ignite now. Hey. Oh, did you hear that? Like a little furnace going, wasn't it? So there we go, we've got that fine up on the gas. I'm going to go back in now. And what I'm going to do, I am going to swap my fridge over now onto electric. We're going to turn that heating off because I don't want roasting the customer. We'll move to there. I'm going to put that on a kilowatt, move that to 40, and now we're good to go on everything. So that's the van ready to go out, and we'll get that done and I'll see you in a bit.